Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the keyword arguments. Now, what are the keyword arguments? As you all know about the arguments, these are the values which you are passing to the parameters while calling the function. Now, in this keyword arguments, we are passing the values to the parameters by using their name rather than relying on the position of the parameter. Okay, see, there is a function. I have passed three parameters, name, city, and office. And I am printing only the city, right? Now, while calling the function, I have used the name of the parameters, but in random order, right? I have used the last parameter first because I am using the name of the parameter and passing the values accordingly. Okay. So, this is the functionality of the keyword arguments. So my output is my residential is in the city, Jalandhar. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe. Thank you.